Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. It looks fantastic. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille up here with your halogen headlights right there, and your chrome bumper up front looks great. Coming around the side here we do have 17-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great, still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look fantastic as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors right here, and coming all the way around to the back, you do have a 5-foot box back here. Now you have your chrome your chrome bumper back here as well. We can open it up just like this. Lots of room back here. As I said, 5-foot box. It looks great, painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You do got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Plus you got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage just down here. And it looks great in here. Looks fantastic. Very soft as well. The material feels great. You do also have the controls over your lights. So you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control there. And up here we do have the controls over our turning signals, windshield wipers, and our high beams. Okay, let's start her up. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we've been, so 47,000, not too bad at all. You also have the temperature outside and which way we're facing. So we can change that around from our kilometers in the center to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. We also have our messages, our screen setup, and we can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to us. Now we do control that all from right here, plus we got our voice recognition, our call out for our Bluetooth, horn in the center, and our cruise control options on the other side. We have our gear shift right here, just like that. And then in the center we do a 5-inch touchscreen display. So we have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all in there. Plus you got your media tabs if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth, aux cord, or USB. You also have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, your volume up and down, screen off, back button, and your browser plus your mute over there. You got your compass, your settings, and then you also have your more options right there. Down here we do have the controls over our climate, so we have the power up and down plus the circulation. You have your hazard lights there, your AC and heat, as well as right there we do have where it's going to blow out of, a little bit of additional storage here. We have our traction control and our tow and haul mode. You got some storage right in there. You got a little bit more storage down here. And you do have 3 cup holders here with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You got 3 coin holders, plus you got a USB and an aux cord plug-in right over there. Then you can also lift this up, and you got some another seat underneath here. It does seat 6 people all together. Then over here you can fold this down, and you do have your glove box there, and your top layer just up there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have your handle. You got the controls over your windows, another handle, and some storage. Looks great back here. Same material as the rest of the vehicle. Feels awesome, very soft. You can also fold this up and you got some storage just underneath there. And you got your cup holders over there. Plus you do have some additional storage just underneath your mats. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.